Okay, so today we're going to talk about work. And what we have here is this is the definition of the work done by a constant force. So what we have is we have an object, and the object is being moved a distance of d. So d represents the distance that the object is moved in the direction of an applied constant force F. So F is a force, it's a push or a pull, and it's a constant force, meaning the push or the pull remains constant throughout the entire distance. Then the work W done by the force is defined to be the work W equals the force multiplied by the distance. All right, so let's take a look at an example here. For instance, if we have an electric hoist, and the electric hoist lifts a 3,500 pound car and it lifts it 4 feet. So we have this hoist, an electric hoist, and it's lifting this car. It's lifting the car 4 feet off the ground. And the question is, what is the work done by this force over this distance? What is the work done by this constant force? So the force is the force of the hoist. Since the car weighs 3,500 pounds, in order to lift the car, the hoist has to overcome the weight of the car. So the hoist is applying 3,500 pounds of force to the car in order to lift it. And it's going to lift it 4 feet off the ground. So we see that the force being applied to lift this car is 3,500, and the distance it's going to be lifted is 4 feet. So we have the force and the distance. In order to find the work done, the work is equal to the force times the distance, which is just 3,500 multiplied by 4. And now we can calculate the work. And we get the work to be 14,000. And the units of work here, well, since the force is being measured in pounds and the distance is being measured in feet, this is going to be 1,400 foot-pounds. So the answer to this question, the work, is equal to 14,000, not 1,400, but 14,000 foot-pounds. And this would be the solution to this problem.